Hey, what's up, guys? I know I haven't made a video in a while, but this one's gonna be cool. Hold on. Move my hammer. This video is going to be called Garbage Disposal Can Eat Anything. Yep, it can eat anything. So let me demonstrate. When I said can eat anything. Okay, so when I said it can eat anything, we'll just watch. Watch. Take it up, get that cigarette out of here, put that apple down there, which I need to cut in half first. So cut it into 4. So all I have to do is just cut it into 4. Now let me demonstrate. I put it down the disposal. Down, 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 and down. Maybe you can watch that get sucked down when I turn it on. Here, hold on. It is down there now. That was the first one, which was the apple. Boy, that is grinded. Oh boy. So pretty much, next thing we're gonna do is this hot dog. I've hated hot dogs all my life, so that's why I really want to shred it. So we'll put a hot dog down there. And you can watch it get sucked down when I turn it on. You only need to keep it on for like a second for a hot dog. Cool, that's shredded good. And now we are going to shred this Austin cheddar cheese. Yeah, I know it's a waste of good food, but it's good for views. And now for that. Boy, that's shredded stuff. Well, let's pull that plastic out so it don't get jammed in. Wait, isn't that shredded plastic? And last but not least, a stick of butter. That's pretty much the easiest thing that can go in there, pretty much. Awesome, that is all shredded. Awesome. Well, guys, I'm just gonna end the video off of here because I couldn't think of anything else to shred, so I'm just gonna go. Bye bye, see ya, comment, subscribe, and watch.